Today I'm going to be showcasing a bob because it's that time of the season. They're a Yaki bob wig. This one is in a length 10 inches. It also has a 13x6 parting space area. And the thing about this unit is the lace is cut. The knots are already bleached. The hairline is already pre-plucked. Y'all. Girl. Do we see this? Okay, like look at this. There's places on my head. I haven't done anything to it, but look how perfectly the lace is already blending into my skin. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see the lace. I think that this one just looks really good. Look at the pre-plucked hairline. The knots are very small, very easy to conceal if you even have to go in and do anything, because on this particular wig, you get into this parting space because you do have the option to part this unit on the side if you choose to. I'm probably gonna leave mine as a middle part, and I think I can possibly go back a little bit further. Like look how far back you can go with the parting space.